Hello everyone, I'm Pierre Farrugia. Today we are going to do the zipline with MC Adventures, and as you know from today we have to put in face mask, everybody, everywhere, so we are going with the rules because it's for our good. The zipline starts down here, we are in Mosta, and this is the Mosta Bridge. We'll have to go to meet the COVID regulations, taking temperature and everything. And let's have fun. Let's do this. Here you can see these young girls doing the zipline. So now we have to do it for sure. We are grown-ups and they are small children and they are going to do it. So you can see safety about COVID and safety about the zipline are top-notch. Well, here are the three other people that I'm going with. My partner, Claudette, my sister, and her sister Christy. We are watching these going down from here. What do you think? We are going to do it? Now we are getting fitted with the safety harness from this stuff of these adventures. Sharon is getting fitted. These are the guys at MC Adventures who are helping us out and making our day pleasurable.
How do you feel? Good. How do you feel?
Good, good.
Good? Let's put it all together. So you will have it. Very important to carry with you this one. MC Adventures!
Here is the Mosta Bridge. We're going to pass under it.
Close your eyes. Hey, no screaming!
Wow.
Open your eyes.
Now it's Sharon's turn to go down. So she's going to do it facing down. Good luck, Sharon. Thumbs up, please. Go. Okay. Woo! Enjoy! Now we're getting it up by our friend from MC Adventures. What's your name?
Matthew.
Hello, Matthew.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing, guys? Better put a mask on before I get arrested by the COVID. So walk to the this white rock just here for me. To this loop at the front on your tiptoes.
So it's not clipped, but no.
Good. So you can walk to the edge. Right now you're perfectly safe. And my buddy's waiting for you.
Alright, and I can go?
Exactly.
Well,
Enjoy,
I put my... Okay, thank you. So now we're going to the zip line. We're at the edge. Let's do this. Go! Woo! Woo! Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I just unlock you now. Oh, sorry. Okay. How did you find it?
Oh, fantastic.
Exciting, go. Lot of speed.
A lot.
We'll
do it again next time.
And it's seconds to arrive here, Vero. Yes, it was very, very nice. Worth it to do. Claudette is coming. Hey! Hello! All four of us are safe now. What do you think about this?
I want to do it again.
Even me. And you, Christy?
I can wait a bit.
And
You know, again.
let's go. We have to track
I
it.
was seeing this person here. I said if I jump. Give it a good time.
We are going back to our cars after this adventure. It was really, really fun, really worth it. I was a little bit excited, but that's the fun in it. Now we can see another one doing his adventure. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog. It was super fun and looking forward to do it again. Till next time, bye bye.